Are your WhatsApp calls not ringing when someone tries to reach you? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some easy solutions to fix WhatsApp calls not ringing on your Android phone. So, let's get started. Solution 1. Diagnose microphone. Make sure there's nothing blocking your speaker. Inspect the speaker area for dirt or debris. Go to Play Store. Search Test M app. Install it. Open the app. Then tap on Speakers. Next, click Start to begin the hardware test. Next, tap on Play button. Try to listen to the number spelled by the app. Has no physical damage. If you cannot hear any sound, then it is a physical damage. Solution 2. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can prevent media from downloading. Ensure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. To verify this, open your browser and try loading a web page. If the connection is slow, try switching back between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp and restart the phone. Open the Play Store. Search for WhatsApp. If an update is available, tap Update. After updating, relaunch WhatsApp and check for any issues. Solution 4. Check notification settings in WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the upper right corner and select Settings. Go to Notifications. Ensure notification tone is set. Turn on vibration mode for notifications. Make sure to turn on notification for all types of activity on WhatsApp. Solution 5. Check system notification settings and turn off Do Not Disturb. Go to Settings app. Tap on Notifications. Tap on App Notifications then find out WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Make sure that Allow Notifications is enabled. Ensure Allow Sound and Vibration is turned on for WhatsApp. Scroll down and open Notification Categories. Test WhatsApp notification after adjusting these settings. Exit the app. Swipe down to access Quick Action Panel. Check if Do Not Disturb mode is turned on. If so, turn it off. Solution 6. Clear app cache. WhatsApp needs camera and microphone access for video calls. To enable this, long press on the WhatsApp icon, tap the I button for app info. Then go to Storage, tap on Clear Cache, go one step back, tap on Force Stop button at the bottom right corner. Restart the app to see if the problem is solved. Solution 7. Turn off Bluetooth and other connections. If the device is connected to any other sound devices via Bluetooth, then the incoming notification might be interrupted. Disconnect other devices from Bluetooth. Turn off Bluetooth. If these solutions helped, then drop a comment below and share which one worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.